everyone, welcome back again. Okay, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Then last class we are discussing about our first chapter. Then we finished our first chapter in the last class. Did you learn about the first chapter, adding angles? Okay, I hope you all are well studied. Okay, now we are discussing about the second chapter, parallel lines. Do you know what is parallel? What are the parallel lines? Then let us discussing the parallel lines. Our new chapter starting now, the chapter 2, parallel lines. Okay, then you look at here, the some figures are given. Okay, some figures. The figure 1, figure 2, 3, 4. Some figures are given. Then you are comparing these all figures. Okay, then we are comparing these figures. First of all, we are discussing about the first figure. You look at the first figure, figure 1. Is it two lines are given, like? Sir, is it two lines are given? So one is the sleeping line and slanting line. You know that? Do you know that what is sleeping line and slanting line? In KG class, first you all learned the sleeping line and slanting line. This is the straight line, this is the slanting line. Okay, this is what? This is two straight lines. Figure 2 giving two straight lines. This also what? Slanting lines are given. Figure 3 also slanting lines. Then figure 4, what about figure 4? Then it's also given what? Is two straight line. Is it clear? Then look at the 4 figures and we comparing these 4 figures. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4. Then you first of all this figure 1. Then first of all you have, this is the ending point, this is the line, these are two ending points. If he extended these two lines, what happened? You just imagine. We are extending these two lines. That means this is the lines. We are extending this. Put this, extending this. Okay, if he extended these two lines, what happened? Then extending. What is this? It will meet a point. That is the first figure. Okay, what will we extend this end point? You just imagine we are extending this end points. What happened? It will meet at a point. Okay, then you check the distance. This is what is then what is the distance is increasing or decreasing? Increasing or decreasing? This is increasing. No, this is decreasing. So first one is a bigger, then small. Here those what the distance is very small. Okay, so first figure you are extending the end point, then it will meet at a end point. Okay, then you are check the second figure. Does the distance is same or equal or different? You check this. Check this distance. The distance of these lines, it's what? This is not equal. The distance between these two lines, what? This is not equal. That is the first figure. Then if we extending the end point, these lines will meet at a point. This is the distance. The distance between these two lines are not equal. Okay, this is the first figure description. What is the second figure? Figure 2. It's a straight line. It's a straight line. Then we are extending these two end point. This line will meet or not? Will meet or not? No, it will never meet. It will never meet. The figure 2, then we are extending the endpoints both sides. These lines are, it will never meet. Understood? Then what about this distance of these two lines? The distance between two lines, what are? Distance between two lines are equal. What about the first figure? The distance between the two lines is not equal. The second lines here, then if we extended the endpoint, these lines never meet. These lines will never meet. Understood? Then the distance between these two lines are equal. Understood? Then first figure, second figure, what is the third figure? It's also slanting lines. It's a straight line. No. You just imagine extending the both side. Extending the both side. This is the two lines. We are extending. Then extending this. Again, these lines also meet at a point. It will meet at a point. You check the distance about this. Say increasing or decreasing? Say decreasing. Is the distance are same, equal or not equal? It's also that the distance between these two sides are not equal. Understood? This is a slanting lines. Next step. Figure 4. You are extending this both side. It will meet or not? It will meet or not? It will never meet. Figure 4 also, it will never meet. Then comparing the distance of these two lines. The distance between these two lines are equal. Two lines are equal. Understood? Then we are discussing about these four figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you understand? What do you understand? You see? Simply we can say this figure 1 and figure 3 are extending. If we extending the end point, it will meet at a point. These two lines, distance between these two lines are not equal. Understand? Then what about the figure 2 and figure 4? Figure 2 and figure 4. Then figure 2 and figure 4 is if we extended the end point, it will never meet. It will never meet. Then the distance between these two lines are equal. This is it will meet at a point. It is not equal. The distance of two lines between these two lines are not equal. The figure 2 and figure 4 what are? These two lines are, it will, if we extended the both side, it will never meet. The distance between these two lines are equal. Okay, understood. Then, so if we conclude, then what is the parallel lines? What is the parallel lines? You say figure 1 and 3 is parallel lines. See, or figure 2 and 4 is a parallel lines. Yes, what is figure 2 and 4 is a parallel line. These two lines are parallel lines. Then let me conclude the parallel lines. If we extended the both side, it will never meet. Understood? Then distance between these two lines are equal in the verb. Okay, is equal. Then do not meet anywhere. The distance of the same distance everywhere. Is it conclude? Then it will never meet the same distance everywhere. Okay. Then I will ask one question. What is parallel lines? What do you mean by parallel lines? See, what do you mean by parallel lines? Then definition is there, the parallel lines. What is parallel lines? Listen, the lines which are at the same distance, we already discussed, these are the same distance. These are the same distance. So also same distance. The lines which are at the same distance everywhere and do not meet anywhere. Do not meet anywhere. It will, that two lines, it will never meet. Do not meet at anywhere are called parallel. Understood all of you? Okay, first of all we are comparing these figures. We are concluding one. These for figure 2 and figure 4 is parallel lines. Then we are to learn discussing the what is parallel. The lines which are at the same distance everywhere and do not meet anywhere are called parallel. Understand? You just understand, you always you keep in mind the parallel lines, it will never meet. The distance between the two lines are same distance, is equal. That is a concept of parallel lines. Understood? The next we are discussing the same direction. Now we are discussing what is the parallel lines, what is the distance. Next we are discussing the same direction. What is the same direction? Then same direction. Same direction. Same direction. Then one line is a draw a baseline, then meet at two perpendicular line. Did you learn this word perpendicular? In the first chapter, adding angles, perpendicular. The baseline meet at a perpendicular line, forming what's the measurement of that angle? Do you remember? This angle measurement, what? 90 degree. What is 90 degree? Then we are naming this word. Then this also PQ. Then so one line, some drawing two perpendicular line. Then naming these words A, B, C, D. Then with the PQ lines. Okay. Then making the angles is 90 degrees. Next, draw a baseline. We are drawing like this. This is what? Two slanting lines. This is what? 80 degree. This is 60 degree. Then A, B, C, D also PQ. Okay, again draw the another one. This is what? 75 degree. This is also 75 degree. P, Q, R, S, A, B. Then naming this angle. Then you look at this figure A, figure B, figure C. You look at this figures. This what? Then PQ line with the two perpendicular lines. Okay. Then this also two slanting lines make two angles. This also then two lines makes two angles, 75 degree, 75 degree. Then you check this. These two lines are what? Perpendicular. So AB and CD are perpendicular. So making the angle is 90 degree. So AB and CD are perpendicular. These two lines are perpendicular. So we can say that, so these are parallel. Understood? These two lines are perpendicular. So these are parallel. Understood? These are perpendicular and so these are also parallel lines. This is, you look at this. This distance between these two lines are equal. These two lines are will meet or not? It will never meet. So we conclude there is a one PQ lines make it two perpendicular AB and CD. Then AB and CD are perpendicular line and so these are parallel lines. Okay, these lines are making two angles. These two angles are equal. So we can say the parallel lines make equal angles with any lines. But once more I repeat, the parallel lines makes equal angles with any line. Understood? The parallel lines make a equal angle 90 degree, 90 degree with any line. With any line. This is the line PQ. The PQ lines make two angles ABQ and CDQ 90 degree, 90 degree. The parallel lines make a equal angle with any lines. Understood? Next step, check the figure B. It's 80 degree, 60 degree. These are the slanting lines. Okay, the slanting lines making the different angles. 80 degree, 60. But parallel lines make equal angles. The slanting lines make what? A different angle. This is a parallel line. No, this AB and CD, it will meet at a point. So this is not make a equal angle. This is make a different angle. Understood? Next you are discussing the next figure. Then PQ and RS. The PQ and RS is what? Is a parallel lines. It will never meet. The distance of these two lines are equal. Then we already discussed the parallel lines make equal angles. Then these parallel lines make equal angle 75 degree, 75 degree. Okay, this is the direction of the parallel lines. The parallel lines make equal angle with any line. Understood? We conclude these topics. But parallel lines make equal angle with any lines. Understand? This is not a parallel line. This is a slanting line. This is make a different angles. Understood? Then what is the symbol of parallel line? Symbol of parallel line. This is the symbol of parallel line. Then how to say, we already discussed AB and CD are perpendicular. So these are parallel. Then how to write this? AB parallel to CD. Now to read this, AB parallel to CD. The symbol of parallel is this. This is the symbol. Now to read this, AB parallel to CD. This is what? PQ parallel to RS. PQ parallel to RS. Okay, this is a symbol of parallel lines. Okay, my dear children, you understood that. Now we are discussing our second chapter, parallel lines. First we are discussing what is the parallel lines. Then what's the definition of parallel lines. Then second one is the direction of parallel lines. Then we conclude the parallel lines make equal angles with any line. Okay, understood these topics. Okay, my dear children. Then we will continue the next class. Then let's stop now. Then we will catch up later.